To manufacture products optimally, it is essential to have an efficient communication process in place. The production team, for example, users, must be able to define assembly items, generate complex multi-level bill of materials, create work orders, record assembly builds, and backflush components with minimal effort. If the product requires traceability from the components being used, the assembly item should be designated as lot numbered or serialized. When creating work orders for a build, the production manager should be able to schedule and release work to the production floor efficiently, as soon as all components are available. The work order should also automatically commit the component inventory to production for an accurate view of current inventory status. The production team should easily record actual components used for an assembly build so that there can be a precise estimate of finished goods and to refine component yields. By using NetSuite work orders and assemblies, production and real-time inventory availability can be monitored and controlled throughout the manufacturing process. NetSuite can be easily configured to support the needs of manufacturers of all types and sizes.